Hey everybody, I'm Chad Ehrlich.
I'm Doug McGinnis.
And we are all getting ready for Rocky Mountain Race Week. We're busting hump, lots of stuff to do, stuff to pack, things to be ready. Got an awesome week coming up.
A lot of things to get done. One thing a lot of people have done the last couple of years is these index classes are so doggone close. And my little brother, Don McGinnis, volunteered last year to be a trunk monkey. This year we're renting him out. So,
because that extra weight of those couple thousands can make a big difference.
Couple of thousands make a difference. You know, last year, if you remember right, Chad, I was in 9th place going back into Bandamere, and I was only a couple thousands back behind everybody, and I was in 9th place. So you want to slow it down a little bit sometimes you want to speed it back up. So again, this year we're renting out Trunk Monkey Don.
Sweet. So tonight we're going to show you how to use your Trunk Monkey Don, because he's very versatile.
He is, and how to get the most out of it.
How to get the most out of your rental time with Trunk Monkey Don, because so many different things that you can use him for on this deal. Got a price list right here. We're going to break it down for you. Doug, you want to let us know what we got laid out here for you?
We'll start off with, the most important thing is putting him in the trunk and using him wet or dry. Trunk Monkey Don wet is 90 pounds. That's good for a couple of thousands. Trunk Monkey Don, 75 pounds. A little bit quicker, you don't need to take much time off. So it's $2.50 for a 90-pound wet Trunk Monkey Don. It's $2 for a 75-pound dry. We're not responsible for any soiled trunks.
We don't know what he might do.
We don't know what he might do. He's older. He can't control his bodily functions that well, so we got to be real careful. But we're not responsible for that.
But he's good for other things too.
He's like the Swiss Army knife of Rocky Mountain Race Week.
And we didn't even know that existed.
Yeah, exactly.
But look what else he's good for.
Yeah. He can chock your wheels. Let me show you something here. One of the hardest things to do on Rocky Mountain Race Week is to get ready, and you never know what to pack and what not to pack.
Right, you only got so much room. Even if you got a trailer, you only got so much room. You need stuff that is versatile, that is going to work for multiple things during race week.
Trunk Monkey Don can alleviate those problems that you got.
Outstanding.
First of all, let's introduce Trunk Monkey Don. If you don't know Don McGinnis, this is my brother Don. Probably one of the first things that he's good for, as far as the Swiss Army knife, is chalking your wheels. When you chalk your wheels with Trunk Monkey Don, it's this side up. It has the instructions right there on the back. Right there,
so everybody knows. Let's show them, just to make sure they know. You just take him, slide him behind your wheels.
Yeah, don't be afraid to get him in there real good.
Give him a couple
get him
of
in there tight.
Kicks. Make
get
sure
him in there
he's
tight.
Up in there.
And wheel chocks, don't need them.
One more thing you don't have to worry about.
Don't need them. Another thing Trunk Monkey Don's good for is towing.
Towing?
Yeah. A couple of ratchet straps, you can get them on the front bumper.
Couple on the feet.
That to the other vehicle. You can tow him anywhere.
Or put his toes in one bumper and make him hold on to the other bumper.
Kind of like a wheelbarrow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So anyway, there you go.
One more thing.
Tow rope, don't need it. Trunk Monkey Don's gonna take care of that for you. Need somebody to guard your stuff. You know, a lot of times you're sitting there, you're going down to the staging lanes, and you got all your stuff unloaded in there, and you need something or somebody to guard all your equipment.
Well, and he's not very big, but he sure is ugly.
Yeah, sure is ugly.
So he'll at least scare him away, if nothing else.
So, Trunk Monkey Don. Get your tools. Hey, this trunk's gonna be empty before long. There you go.
All
Easy
safe.
peasy. Yeah, Trunk Monkey Don, he'll take care of that. The other thing, while we're doing that this year, is we've got a contest. When you rent your Trunk Monkey Don, take pictures. I got a $100 bill right there for whoever has the best pictures of.
And it's real.
Yeah, and it's real.
It's real.
It's real.
I'm verifying it's real.
Whoever has the best, the most fun, they come up with the most creative things that you can do with Trunk Monkey Don. Post it on the Rocky Mountain Race Week webpage. People will vote on it with their likes. Whoever has the most likes throughout the week, you know, they'll win that $100.
Now, one other thing. We're packing, you got stuff tight, you still got a Trunk Monkey Don here you got to do something with. So something else we got to worry about is how to pack your Trunk Monkey Don in there. Whether you're going to use them for a pass, whatever your use is going to be, you got to be able to use them correctly.
Right.
And you got to be able to get use out of them. So
Stuff him in there.
just stuff
It'll
them
be
in
good.
there. You even, you know, sometimes tire irons help.
I'm glad you pointed that out. Up over the rear wheels is probably the best
Right.
spot.
So
Get you a little
sometimes
extra traction.
It takes a little extra work, but that's okay. Trunk Monkey Don is flexible.
He's durable.
He's durable. He can take a beating and still weight down your car. So tons and tons of uses for your Trunk Monkey Don.
The Swiss knife of Rocky Mountain Raceway.
Outstanding.
What can I say?
So, anything else we need to tell everybody?
I think that's it. Other than I'm looking forward to seeing everybody and having a good time. And don't forget to rent your Trunk Monkey Don.
So be sure to get pictures of your Trunk Monkey Don. Win that $100, and we cannot wait to see everybody starting Friday night at Great Bend downtown on the Courthouse Square. And I know we're both looking forward to an awesome week with all of our friends. We love all you guys. We love hanging out. We love doing this. Thanks to Matt and June for doing it again, and we can't wait to see everybody. So, that all we got?
That's all we got.
So, we'll see you guys next week. Get ready to rent your Trunk Monkey Don, and let's have a great time. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Later, guys.